Hey guys, welcome to another full self-driving video on the Cybertruck. I'm running FSD 12.5.5 and this is actually a trip back from WholeFoods after doing some Amazon returns back home. So this is going to be again a straight road, but it gets a bit tricky during peak traffic, and also there are a whole bunch of lane changes which will be interesting to see how it does. So let's get going. So I'm going to give it a bit of a kickoff and then turn on FSD. So one of the things that FSD can't do is reverse back and do a three-point turn, at least not yet. So I'm going to stop that and do it for FSD. Now obviously this is technically, I guess, possible because it's doing self-parking and there's reversing going on there. But for now, in regular self-driving mode, it does not do a reverse. Okay, I'm going to actually drive and get off this high pedestrian traffic area. And now I'm going to enable self-driving. So this is obviously the right lane to be in because we are going to be taking a left turn here. All right, off we go. As you can see, this is kind of commute traffic at this point. All right, so it did a good job with the red light slowly coming to a stop here. But what's interesting ahead is there are two lanes, and the left lane will become left turn only. So I want to know if it's going to go faster and overtake this guy, or how is it going to go there. Already you can see it's put on the left turn signal, right turn signal, and it changes lane to get to this one as it should. Oh man, that was close. Good job, FSD. Idiot driver. Again, pretty much a straight road here. But again, you'll see there's a split there, and we'll see what it does because the right-hand lane usually ends up in the strip mall here. Let's expanded view. Put it up there. Now the speed limit here is 35 miles an hour, and it's set to auto max, which means the algorithm is going to determine what the right speed is, and it's going at about 29-30 miles an hour, which is pretty decent. Plus, it's following the traffic, so I guess it makes sense. Now again, here it does the right thing and keeps to the right. Now here's what's interesting. If I was driving as a human, right after that left-hand turn, I would change lanes and go to the left-hand lane here, because most people on this right lane is either wanting to go there or they are wanting to go on 95 south or 95 north actually. So this right lane eventually merges into the left. So since I'm not going to get onto the highway, that's usually the right lane to be. But there is enough time for the car to change lanes. So let's see how it does. Now, one of the interesting things that I've noticed is there are days when FSD does really well, and then there are days when it does not do very well. And obviously, we are not getting updates every day. So it's either being moody or Tesla is probably doing some tweaks behind the scenes. Who knows? Okay, so now, since we are not going on the highway and going straight, this lane kind of merges in, as you will see here. Now, let's see how it does. Okay, it's put the turn signal. We have enough room on this side, so it should be good. And we did that pretty well. You know, one thing as a human I would do is avoid these manholes, and I don't think FSD does that, well, yet. Okay, so I'm supposed to take the left turn from next to that mobile, so let's see how it does. Oh, you got lucky. There's nobody coming. Okay, so here's a challenging thing. We have a car in front, and the road is narrow. Now this part is going to be very interesting. If you look carefully, that turn is extremely sharp. So there are good days when it actually, oh, it's yelling at me. There are good days when it actually makes it, and then there are days when it doesn't. So let's see. Okay, is it going to wait for this car? Yes, good job. Okay, now let's see how it turns. Go, 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 go. Ah, it gave up. Okay. I had to take over because there's a guy behind me and I didn't want to spook him out. But yeah, it usually gives up there and then it stops. But then there are days when it actually also makes it. So. And we are home. So until next one, see you guys.